When you step into the world of Class C motorhomes, you quickly realize that not all RVs are built with the same balance of comfort, capability, and smart design. The 2026 Winnebago Wanderer is one of those models that immediately signals that it's been created for real travelers, not just weekend campers. From the moment you see it on the road, you can tell this isn't just another generic motorhome. Winnebago has leaned into a more modern, confident aesthetic while still keeping the rugged, road-ready feel that longtime RV enthusiasts appreciate. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Wanderer strikes a strong visual presence without feeling over the top. The front cap is smoother and more aerodynamic than older Class C designs, helping reduce wind resistance and road noise. The LED headlights are brighter and sharper, giving the motorhome a more contemporary look while also improving visibility during night driving. The full-body paint options feel premium rather than flashy, with clean lines and well-coordinated color schemes that make the RV look upscale without losing its adventurous personality. Along the sides, you'll notice large panoramic windows that don't just look good, but serve a practical purpose. They let in plenty of natural light, which makes a huge difference once you're inside. The awning is sturdy, easy to deploy, and provides excellent shade for outdoor lounging. Storage compartments underneath are spacious and well-designed, allowing you to bring along gear, camping chairs, tools, or even a portable grill without feeling cramped for space. Winnebago has also improved insulation in the exterior panels, making this motorhome better suited for different climates, whether you're camping in cool mountain air or warm desert heat. Moving inside, the Wanderer immediately feels welcoming rather than tight or cluttered. The layout is thoughtfully designed to make the most of every inch of space. The dashboard is modern and intuitive, featuring a touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and compatibility with smartphones. The living area blends functionality with a home-like atmosphere. The sofa is plush and convertible, doubling as an extra sleeping space when needed. Across from it, a dinette provides a comfortable spot for meals, work, or playing games. The bathroom is a compact one, as expected in a motorhome, but surprisingly well designed. The shower has enough room to be comfortable rather than claustrophobic, and the fixtures feel durable. Sleeping arrangements are another strong point. The overhead bunk above the cab is spacious enough for 2 adults or multiple children, making this motorhome great for families. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Winnebago Wanderer doesn't disappoint. Built on a reliable chassis, it offers a smooth and stable ride compared to many older Class C models. The engine provides enough power for highway driving, hill climbing, and towing smaller vehicles or trailers. Steering feels responsive rather than sluggish, which boosts driver confidence, especially for those new to driving motorhomes. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for its class, though, like all RVs, it's not something you buy if gas mileage is your top priority. However, improvements in aerodynamics and engine performance make it more efficient than many previous models. Noise levels inside the cabin are lower than expected, thanks to better insulation and soundproofing, making long drives more pleasant. Handling in windy conditions is also solid, which is crucial for safety and comfort. The Wanderer doesn't feel overly top-heavy or unstable, even on open highways. The braking system is strong and reliable, giving drivers peace of mind when navigating downhill roads or sudden stops. Now, let's talk about price, because that's always a major factor for buyers. The 2026 Winnebago Wanderer isn't a budget motorhome, but it's also not outrageously expensive compared to other high-quality Class C RVs. Depending on the floor plan, features, and optional upgrades, prices generally fall within the mid to upper range of the Class C market. Base models start at a level that makes this motorhome accessible to serious RV enthusiasts rather than just luxury buyers. However, adding premium features like solar panels, upgraded appliances, advanced safety systems, or enhanced entertainment options can increase the final price significantly. When you consider everything together, the 2026 Winnebago Wanderer stands out as a well-rounded motorhome that caters to both families and solo travelers. It blends modern design,
practical living space, reliable performance, and reasonable pricing into a package that feels carefully thought out rather than rushed or generic. If you're looking for an RV that can handle weekend trips, cross-country adventures, or even full-time living, the Wanderer deserves serious consideration. It's not just a vehicle, it's a mobile home that makes life on the road feel comfortable, safe, and genuinely enjoyable. Thanks for watching this in-depth review of the 2026 Winnebago Wanderer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future RV reviews and travel content. Let me know in the comments what you think of this motorhome.